Kakadosh Boker Tov, Shavua Tov. We're continuing with the halachot of Netilat Yadayim. Siman Kuf Samech Aleph says this is talking about the halachot of chatzitza, which is a separation, interruption in the halachot of Netilat Yadayim. Maram brings down tzarich lizayer mechatzitza. Person has to be careful from any type of a chatzitza. Shekol davar shechotzetz betfilah is anything which is considered a separation when you're going to dip your body, immerse your body, right, in water, is also going to be a chatzitza in Netilat Yadayim as well. Now, one of the most important halachot in this is to do with a ring. So, Maran brings down in Sif Gimel, tzarich le'asir tabaot me'al yado b'shat Netilat Yadayim. A person has to be careful to remove any rings during the time of Netilat Yadayim. So here it brings down on the halacha brura the following halachot. A woman that she's got a ring on her hand, she has to take it off before Netilat Yadayim. And even if the ring was going to be a loose, that it could actually move and therefore water will penetrate beneath it, water will come beneath the ring, still you have to do it. Now even though, right, it's not normal for the woman to be makpidah to take it off every single time, it's not considered miut sheno makpid sheno chotzetz. Why? Because women do take it off when they come and they start kneading. But diavad, if they did not take it off, so therefore it depends. Meaning, does water penetrate or not? If water penetrates, so but diavad it's going post factum, it's going to be okay. But lechatchila obviously not. And if water does not penetrate, it's going to be a problem. Now this is only going to be to do with a woman that she comes and she starts kneading. And therefore, when she's doing the dough of the bread, she's going to take off her rings. So therefore, she has to take off the rings also now. However, though, what about a man that he does not take off his rings? Meaning men usually do not make bread. So they're not kneading, they're not making dough. And therefore, they're going to have a ring. Let's say you have a man that he has got a ring and the ring is on all time. So therefore, he never takes it off. Or a woman that she never comes and also takes off her rings. So therefore, if it's going to be in such a case, they are allowed to be lenient that if the ring is on their hand and it's not going to, so therefore they're allowed to leave it there, right? Even if it's going to be tight, they're allowed to leave it there. Why? Because they don't really care about the ring. The ring is going to be there. Now, if the ring is a precious ring that has a stone, right? It's a very good ring that's got, right, obviously diamonds, it's got jewels on it, and therefore she is makpidah to take it off during certain times. So then it goes back to the same halacha that we mentioned, that now since she's stringent to take it off during certain times, so now also during the Netilat Yadayim, she would have to come and she would have to take it off as well. A woman that she's got a ring, and now the finger got bloated, and therefore since it got inflamed, it got bloated, so now she cannot remove the ring. So he says, now it's going to be very tight, right, on the hand. And even during the time of kneading bread, she does not take off the rings. She's allowed to come and do Netilat Yadayim in such a fashion. So this is just some of the halachot of it. Obviously, there's other halachot as well, just beside the ring, which is going to be also, right, whether you're going to be makpid on certain things, there's going to be whether it's going to be a person has a cast or a person has other things, right? There is also another important halacha, which is to do with actual nails in itself. A nail in itself, even though obviously it could be a minhag to do with tevilah, that they would be very, very careful to do with Netilat Yadayim, they're not makpidot on this, which means that they could do Netilat Yadayim even though they have nail polish or they've got long nails, and it's not going to be a problem, even though by tevilah it would be a different halacha. But to do with this, that would be okay. And to do with the cleansiness, obviously they should try, it's going to be chotzetz if they've got mamash dirt right by the nails. So a person should be careful about that their nails are going to be clean. And tomorrow, Bli Neder, we'll speak about the halachot of where exactly do you need to do Netilat Yadayim until. Is it until the knuckles? Is it going to be until the other part of your hand, which is the hand connecting to the arm? That, Bli Neder, we'll speak about tomorrow.